Imagine you run a small bakery in your neighborhood. One day, your cupcakes go viral on Instagram. Suddenly, you have thousands of new orders. You need more ovens, more workers, more space. But buying all of that upfront is expensive, right? And risky also. What if the craze dies down tomorrow? What if you could instantly rent extra ovens only for the weekend rush and return them when business is back to normal? That's exactly what cloud computing does for businesses. But instead of ovens, we are talking about powerful computing resources like servers, storage, and applications. Now, what are the benefits of cloud? Number one benefit is cost savings, because it is a pay as you go mode. Traditionally, companies had to buy expensive servers and maintain them 24/7. But with cloud, it's like paying your electricity. You only pay for what you use. No wasted money on unused capacity. Let me give you one example. A startup can run a website on AWS for a few dollars a month instead of investing thousands in hardware upfront. Now, second benefit is scalability and flexibility. Just like our bakery examples, cloud lets you scale up or down instantly. If your application gets a sudden spike in traffic, AWS automatically gives you more resources. When traffic reduces, it scales down so you don't overspend, right? So think like Netflix. Millions of people watch movies at night, fewer during the day. The cloud automatically adjusts the resources to handle this changing in demand. Now, third benefit is speed and agility. So do you want to launch a new applications? In the old days, it took weeks or months to order hardware and set it up, right? In the cloud, you can launch the servers in minutes. This speed gives businesses an edge over competitors. Example is, a developer with a new application ideas can launch it globally overnight using AWS. Now, fourth benefit is security and reliability. Now, people often ask, is the cloud secure? Actually, companies like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure invest billions in security and compliance, which most businesses can't afford on their own. Plus, cloud providers ensure high reliability with backups and across different locations. So example is, if one AWS data center goes down, your data is safe because it's copied to another region, right? Now, fifth benefit is accessibility and collaboration. With cloud, you can access your data from anywhere, anytime. All you need is the internet. Teams across the world can work together on the same document or project seamlessly. Example is thing like Google Drive. Multiple people editing the same file in real time, right? That's cloud in action. Now, sixth benefit is innovation and AI enablement. Cloud is not just storage or servers. It also offers cutting-edge tools like machine learning, big data analytics, or AI services. This means even small company can use the same AI capabilities that giant corporations use without buying expensive infrastructure. So a small e-commerce store can use AWS AI services to recommend products just like Amazon does. So to sum up, the cloud is cost effective, scalable, fast, secure, accessible, and a driver of innovation. It levels the playing field, giving startups and large enterprises the same power at their fingertips. But wait, you might be thinking, if it's so great, how do businesses really measure the value of moving to the cloud? Is it only about saving money, or is there more to it? That's where cloud economics comes in. And that's exactly what we will explore in our next video. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's deep dive into the economics of cloud computing in our upcoming lessons. I'm Amit, signing off today. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.